Regarding dito sa Iran, so sabi po natin na di ba walang nilabas ng ang practice na fashion?
Actually, that bridge is symbolical. Of course, it symbolizes establishes as the umbilical cord yung history ng Aurora. Because Aurora is the former sub-province of Guard.
Part ng
It serves as the umbilical cord. And yun naman target dun sa just for the 1-year construction period, as yung aming interview last night, malaking kulang I think.
Intervention pala, akala ko
They employed around 150 households on the part of the Quezon Biray barangay. And for a year, malaking tulong yan in the area. Of course, that will also include the economic activities in the area. Because may need ng foods, so kasari-sari store natin, yung mga maliliit na cafe or carinderia benefit during that 1 year. So, alone, and plus the increase in economic income ng area from the project alone is already ginagawa by Barangay Biray. In the long term, of course, the reductions ng delivery cost, and of course yung ma-reduce yung cost ng ating products, agricultural products natin. Kasi prior to the constructions, di ba, yung cost niya
nagbabangka po.
tapos yung
Travel time.
limited pang ang volume because you're only using bangka. Now you can if you have to transport, let's say, a ton, babak-bakit mo yun sa capacity ng bangka. But this time, you only hire one transportation to transport the
malaking advantage.
So, yun, then, of course, kung lower ang pricing ng kung bumaba ang cost ng delivery at saka the consumer will benefit from that because it's a win-win situation because the farmers maintains its profit, di ba? Kasi lower ang capital nila in terms of sa transportation nila ng goods nila. On the part of the consumer, mayroon naman silang chance to affordable price. So, and of course, the freshness of the goods is retained. So, yung delivery time is decreased. So, siya, we maintain the freshness of the goods up to the consumer's table.
Mas maganda mo.